Hey there YouTube, super glad you're back with me today. It's cold, it's New Hampshire, it's the early spring, so it's gardening season. And I gave myself a $300 challenge to build 3 8x4 raised garden beds at 1 foot height, and I chose to use fir. You do not need cedar, you do not need redwood, you don't need fancy metal, and this wood will last exposed to the elements about 7 to 8 years. And my last beds that I just kind of threw out were over 7 years old, and they were still good. So I really think this is an economical option, and this building design is super simple. I've listed all the materials in the comment section, and in the rest of this video you'll see how I do it. So hope you enjoy it, and good luck in your planting season and also in your turkey season. So really it's only one step. This is the 8-foot long sides. You're gonna have 2 8-foot long sides and then the 4 foot in the width, which is just an 8-foot beam cut in half. And the corner posts are gonna be secured to the long side. And all you do is you put that on the ground. All right. And you just flip it up. You can drill pilot holes if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Wanted to, just for the demo, I'm going to do 3. These are self-tapping screws, 2.5 inches long, exterior screws. Okay, and that literally is the hardest step. You've got your long side, and what we're going to do is we're just going to tie in the 4-foot beam right there with 3 more screws. You make your square, and you put your dirt in and plant your seeds, and magic happens. So stay tuned, it's coming up. Garden beds are done, and I just want to give you a little tour of it. Very, very stable. These corner posts, everything is fir, and it's 1 foot deep. It's gonna hold some good stuff, and I kind of designed it so I could add onto it, and also so it kind of looks pretty good. And I think what I'll do probably too, let me see if I can come around the side here. A little shadow here, but I'll probably put a trellis right on this side here. I'll just grow stuff vertical on this side of the bed.